Okay, so how often does this happen? You're walking down the street, minding your own business, and your Jandle breaks, and it has come right out. So now you've got a big gaping hole. It's great if you've kept the little black tag that goes inside the hole on the other side. You really need that. So I've been told by a good friend of mine on a really quick fix for these, and we're going to give it a go to see if it works and how well it works. How to fix a popped thong. Alright, so all you need is a lighter, the plug, and your Jandle, or thong. We call them Jandles in New Zealand. It's way more interesting than thongs. Apparently, all you do is poke through the hole. Have this guy here ready, the little fella. Heat this end up here with your lighter. So I suppose you want to get it pretty hot. Let's put some paper down so that I don't melt. So I just put some paper down on the ground so I don't melt the rubber onto the tiles. So let's put this to the test. So you said you want to get it nice and hot and melty. It'll probably stink. And it says getting a little bit melty and a little bit yuck. And just stick this guy on. He said it'll work every time. I don't know. Oh, it stinks. I reckon we can do better. Maybe we'll just melt the two together a little bit. This doesn't seem right. Well, okay, so I've pushed the plug back in. This is what the fix looks like. Pretty rubbish. So that's the repair. It looks a bit bodge. Let's see how it goes. Like, I'm not quite 100% million% convinced, but anyway, that's a quick fix for plugging a Jandle.